Shesher Kobita residence by Studio Morphogenesis in Bangladesh. The essence of this family home lies in crafting an abode of serenity, flowing gracefully as an organic extension of the landscape. A retired professor of Bangla envisioned a home where she could spend her days in peaceful solitude, while awaiting the annual visits of her daughters and grandchildren from abroad. At the heart of this vision lies a space designed for family connection and continuing generational bonds. Her main criteria for the home centered around ample garden spaces and generous, airy interiors bathed in natural light, creating an environment that feels both expansive and intimately welcoming. Housing a spacious living area on the ground floor, the upper floor accommodates the more private spaces. A shell-like concrete vault caps the heart of the house, the family living area, shaped with wooden formwork to achieve unique texture and curvature affordably. This sweeping structure also encompasses the bedrooms on the upper floor. All 4 bedrooms on the upper floor are plugged into the lofty vaulted space as individual forms connected through bridges and voids overlooking the courtyards. Customized window details along the staircase and vaulted roof encourage natural breezes to flow throughout the interior spaces. This roofscape with the thematic courts on the east and west creates intimate semi-outdoor spaces. The home features an exposed column beam structure with brick walls and occasional concrete accents. Skilled masons constructed intricate brick jolly screens and bonds. This project emphasizes the use of locally sourced bricks and skilled local masons. The selection of materials, such as terracotta red bricks, as-cast concrete, wooden screens, and metal staircases, prioritizes simplicity and a rustic look. The main approach leads through a green lawn and a large lily pond, arriving at a lofty entrance portico beneath the vaulted roof. Upon entering, the space flows effortlessly from the ground floor to the backyard orchard, creating an uninterrupted vista that connects the front and back gardens. East and west courts provide intimate outdoor areas, while bedrooms, individually placed along the vault with 3 open sides, benefit from abundant natural ventilation. Every room enjoys north-south airflow. The expansive main staircase, built with low risers for ease of movement of the clients, spirals gracefully around a multi-level wooden library-cum-storage, creating a dynamic flow connecting different levels. Light filters through the brick screen wall enfolding the western court, and enters into the staircase creating an atmospheric ambience throughout the triple-height void.